Hello everyone, welcome back to Education Ki Yaari. Today let's understand descriptive research in a simple way with an example. So descriptive research is a type of research that focuses on describing the characteristic of a group, situation or phenomenon. It answers the questions like what is happening, how often is it happening, what are the characteristics, but it does not explain the cause or reason behind it. For example, suppose a researcher wants to know the study habits of MBA students in Nagpur. They conduct a survey asking how many hours do students study daily? Do they prefer online resources or textbook? Do they study individual or in a group? The researcher will collect the data, summarize it, and describe the pattern, but they will not try to find why the students study that way. This is descriptive research. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to Education Kiari. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.